from Jake's Fireworks. Mikkel picked these out. They're ladybugs. You get 2 of those.
Then we have these whistling moon travelers.
And I don't know what those are, but cuckoo? I'm not sure.
There's like girl power thingies.
Maybe like a fountain.
Yeah.
We randomly pick stuff.
Pick some randoms.
Roman candles, 2 of those.
We got these.
Oh, this was a American VIP. So if you signed up, you could get a coupon to get this free.
Yeah.
So we did that.
VIP.
Snappers, those are always good. Oh, that's a punk.
Yeah. And then there's this like party hat
fountain.
fountain thingy.
Grenades. Mikkel also picked these out.
There's these flying colored butterfly rockets.
Parachutes. Those are always fun. 4 of those.
And then tiger fountains.
We didn't get a lot. We forgot the sparklers, but this was $60 and it'll last maybe 5 minutes. And that's what we got. Happy 4th of July.